Hey there. I had a little problem in a class recently where someone brought to me, they had these zip codes in these different formats come in regularly to the work they're doing. And so I tried a few things trying to get them fixed. First off, I went into my number formats. They're clicking the corner of the number group, and I tried the special with the zip code +4. And when I did that, it added zeros to the front of the 5-digit zip code. So that's not what I wanted. I undid that. And then I worked on it for a bit. What I ended up with is an if statement that looks like, if it has only 5 characters, could you add the 4 zeros at the end, and then I stripped with the regular expression replace, I stripped all the characters out of it, and so it leaves you with a raw number. It works great. So copy that. I'll put it in the description of this video. And then what I could do was copy and right click. I paste only the values, so I'm getting rid of the whole formula piece of the cell, just leaving myself the raw number. Now, once you have that, get it selected again there. I had quite a few. And there I go back into number formatting. And here's where I could then go back to special, go back to the zip code with the 4 digits on the end, and okay. And now I've got them perfectly aligned, and I like this a lot better. So I hope that helps you too. Have a great day.